Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today is the next installment of the Fruits of the Spirit pocket letters that I have been making and exchanging with my friend Lisa, who is a Worthy Life on Instagram. I'll put her link down below if you'd like to follow her. She is an awesome artist and crafter. I have several videos of what I've sent to her and what she has sent to me, and she's so awesome. So we are doing kindness for this month, and what I used for my pocket letter is this kit from Close to My Heart. It's called Tickled Pink. It's an older kit. I'm not sure if I'll be able to find it, but if I do, I will put it in the project supply link down below in the description box. So what I decided to do for this was combine the pattern and the solid papers included in the kit. And I used the stripe on the 4 middle blocks there, and I mounted them on the pink, and then on the left and the right sides here, I added a doily that I used a die from that I had in my stash, and then I tied some ribbon that I had in my stash on top of it. And then on these two up here, I added ribbon, and then this is like a little banner die that I had in my stash. And then I used these letter tiles that I had that spell out kind, and they just happened to be the right color pink. And I'm not sure where those were from. I think those were some that I picked up when I went through my mom's crafting supplies. On the 4 outside corners, I used the floral paper from the collection and layered it onto the blue, and then added a stripe of the pink on these and some pink and blue flowers and buttons. And then on these 2 corners, I of course have the 2 letters here, and then I have a Sizzix die that I used to make these flowers. Just combined the papers. And then in the center, I'm featuring the verse from Proverbs 31:26, where it says, "She opens her mouth with wisdom, and the teaching of kindness is on her tongue." On the side here, I just tied it up with the same ribbons that I used on the pocket letter little squares there. And then on the back, I made some bows. I added some little embellishments, some more of the doilies that I cut from the paper. Here I added some little paper clips and clothespins, and then I gave her some flowers. These are some paper flowers, those are some silk flowers. And then I made some tags here with all the different papers. There's more paper clips down here, some fun ones, a bow and little flags. And these are metal spiral clips, and then some buttons there. And here I have some metal charms and embellishments. And up here I added a couple of those paper flowers. So that's what I'm giving her in my pocket letter. And then I made a little card with some of the paper that I had left over, and I made this bow using a die that I had in my stash. Any of these dies I'll try to link down below for you, but I'm just using that to close the card, and I wrote her a little note in there. So I hope you like this quick project share. Hope it gives you inspiration for your next pocket letter if you ever have a chance to do these. They're a lot of fun. And I do have a pocket letter playlist, and I've done all different subjects and stuff. They're just a lot of fun. They're quick and easy crafts and a fun swap to do with somebody. So I hope you liked this video. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Leave me a comment and subscribe, and I'll see you again next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.